Hey everybody, how are you living out there? Welcome to Wild Bill's Workshop. I'm Wild Bill, and I'll be taking you along with me on my adventures of die-cast car restorations and customs. Hey, it's great to have you here in the shop with me, so put on your safety glasses and let's get started. On cars with body kits, like JDM cars, I often see toe straps on either the front or the rear of the car, sometimes even both. These toe straps are easy to create and they up the detail on a die-cast car. It's a look I'm going for. To make this toe strap, I'll be using wire, craft knife, vinyl coated paper clips, and some wire cutters. I want to create a yellow toe strap. I grab my vinyl coated paper clip and open it up. This gives me access to a length that I can cut from the straight section. And with a few snips, I've got what I need. Next, I need to get the vinyl coating off the paper clip, but I need to keep it intact. To do this, I roll the paper clip using the craft knife to score through the coating, but I don't cut through the metal core. With that done, I can easily slide the vinyl coating from the metal that's inside. This actually gives me enough for 2 toe straps. Next, I grab my 30 gauge Florist wire and I cut a length about 4 inches or around 10 centimeters. This wire is used to make up the part of the toe strap that mounts it to the car. I make a loop in the wire and pull each end to close up the size of it. It's fairly small, just big enough to put the metal from the paper clip in the loop. The metal paper clip will prevent the loop from closing up when I twist the wire, and that's my next step. I now twist the wire in a nice tight even spiral to the length of about a ½ inch or 1 centimeter. A nice clean twist is important here. This part is going to get inserted into the vinyl tube that I created at the start. I cut off the excess wire to leave a short length at the loop. At this point, I then test fit it to make sure that what I've made will fit inside the vinyl tube. If it doesn't fit, well, I'll have to twist up another one until I get to the point where it does. This test fit is great and I get a glimpse into what I'll be looking at when I'm done. The wire is small, so I'll use a pair of tweezers for this next part. It involves me putting a small amount of super glue on the twisted end, and the tweezers make it easy. It also keeps the glue off my fingers. With a little glue in place, I slide the wire and the vinyl tube together. And there it is, my completed toe strap. Now all I gotta do is just put it on a car. Here's the front of the car. Recalling my reference image, I need to drill a small hole just large enough to fit the toe strap through. It's going to be in this area of the body. On the rear of the car, it's the same process. I would use a reference image for the right placement. However, I normally find that along the back bumper area is where the toe straps are located. The reality is, placements vary from build to build. I want to show this process off in the best possible way. I found that the body of the car often blocks the view of the camera, so I'll use this piece of aluminum to demonstrate. I drilled a hole in the aluminum just as I would in the car, and I finished off the edges to give it a nice clean finish. From the inside of the car body, I gently insert the toe strap through the hole I created. I'm careful not to pull it all the way through completely. I want the loop in the wire to remain on what is the inside of the body. I need to anchor the toe strap in place. To do this, I take a short length of paper clip I used when I made the loop in the wire and slide it into the loop. I position it to where it would run inside the body and give it a gentle tug on the toe strap to seat it. With everything where I want it, I put some super glue along the paper clip to secure it in place. I could use baking soda or accelerator to speed up the bond if I needed to. If there is any trick to any of this, it's getting everything placed and trimmed so that the body and chassis of the car fit back together again when the time comes. With a little planning and test fitment, this is done pretty easily. With the glue set, I can move my attention to the toe strap that's on the outside of the body. To finish this off, I just fold it down into place. All that's left after that is trimming the toe strap to the desired look that I'm after. And with that, I'm done. It really is that easy for me to get this great attention to detail on my cars. And, as always, here are the beauty shots. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing here, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. It will help other diecast restorations and customs enthusiasts find the channel and grow this wonderful hobby of ours. Thank you so much.